Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Happy and my YouTube channel name is Happy Uganda. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like and share this video to people who are interested in businesses. So let's get into the video. So today's video, guys, I'm going to talk about boutique. Yeah, I did a video about boutique when I had started this channel, but I've got so many questions asking about how much do I need to start up a boutique in my inboxes and also in comments, and I get several questions. How much do I need? How do I start a successful boutique? I've been doing this business for almost 2 years and a half or 3 years now, and I can say it's not a bad business. It's been working for me because I can't stay in a business that is not working for me for this long time. So that's why today I'm going, guys, to talk about boutique. So stay tuned and keep watching up to the end of the video. So let's talk about how much you can start with when you're starting up boutique. Today I'm trying to use English because people have been complaining that I use only Ruganda, or I mix Ruganda and they don't know Ruganda, people from other countries. So they are raising their voices and they're saying I talk only Ruganda. So today I'm trying my best to use English. English is not my first language, it's my second language. So in case of any mistake, please don't quote me bad, and just bear with me. So we are talking about how much you can start with when you're starting up a boutique. And basically, I can say it depends the kind of boutique you want to start up, or it depends how much you have. If you have a plan and you have a mindset and you want to start up a boutique, just know you can start your boutique with amount you have or the amount you have saved, starting from even 1 million, even 2 million, 3 million, 5 million, 10 million, 20 million. It depends your plan, or it depends how much you have or how much you have saved. First of all, when I talk about 1 million, it's not going to be a very nice boutique, but if you have a plan of starting a boutique, you can start slowly by slowly. You can start up by buying clothes. It depends which clothes you want to major in, new or second. So let's talk about the second clothes. So second-hand clothes. If you want to start up a boutique for second-hand clothes and you have your 1 million, I'm very sure you can get a small place, like 2 dummies or 1 dummy or 3 dummies, and you get a very tiny place like for 150 or for 200 rent, and you start up slowly by putting or displaying your clothes. Some people, they go in the markets. Oh, sorry, I said I'm not going to talk Uganda. They go to the markets and start displaying their clothes, and people will start buying. That is the first thing. Secondly, very many women, by the way, I have consulted with, a lot of them who have boutiques, they started with their own clothes. Like you buy a dress and you put it on like once or twice and keep it for a long time, and they have enough clothes in their closets. They have done that and they have put their clothes in the market. So we are done with that for 1 million. So let's talk about when you have enough money, like 5 million or 6 million or 10 million. When you start up this business, you need a good place, especially like you need a good location where you're going to get, where you're targeting your customers, where your customers are. That is where you're targeting. So when you're targeting such kind of places, definitely most cases they're expensive, very very expensive, by the way. So yeah, so that's why you see most cases you find your boutique, very many boutiques in malls, very many boutiques in nice boutiques in trading centers like Kabaragala, like let's talk about Acacia, like Makinde, where people are very many. That's where you need to focus on to put your boutique to work. So mine at first was not in a very busy place, but I can say that I was not in Roses, but I wasn't getting much like how I'm getting now, because right now where I am, it's really really busy. I am in a busy trading center or in a small town, and compared to where I was before, it is more, even triple. I'm earning more, triple more money than what I was earning when I was in a place where I was not busy. But the rent where I am now is higher than where I was. So now you can understand, because here the rent is high and I'm getting very many customers, I'm earning. But where I was before, I was paying less rent but getting less money. So that is another thing I can tell you. So you need to choose what is right for you. Another thing about boutique, you need to be having a sense of fashion. That is very very important. You need to know what is trending. You need to be watching more of videos about fashion. Like me, I'm Hajat, so I don't normally put on like this trending stuff or what like this, but I'm very very sure that most cases I know what is trending, because I keep myself so much on social media to watch what is trending, what is on market, what people are looking for. I'm in WhatsApp groups for fashion WhatsApp groups, so I know what is trending, what people are asking more, like the clothes they are asking than the clothes that are not asking, like the clothes on demand or on market or trending. So that's what you need to focus when you start a boutique. You need to focus on what is on the market now, what is trending, what is coming up now, because every day or every after 1 week or every month there is something new in the market, so you need to go with that. You need to bring that in the market. You need to bring that. You need to be the first one at least to get this fashion in your boutique. So by the time all the boutiques start selling that particular dress or that particular trouser or that particular top or blouse or whatever, you have already made some money. Or someone will not say, this one is common, this one is common. So that is what you have to do. You need to be knowing what you're doing, and you need to be knowing fashion. You need to be knowing what is trending to do a successful boutique, because you can't bring everything. We might bring clothes and sit there and look at you, and you at the end of the month you need to pay rent, you need to pay everything. So you need to focus on what you bring. Yeah. So generally and honestly, that is all I can tell you about boutique, because I've got very many questions about boutique. So today I have given you my experience, how much you can start with, how you can make your boutique to be successful. So that is all, guys, and I hope, guys, you all fine. If you're new and you would like to add on something that I have forgotten and you know something about it, just comment down and you just tell me what is your experience or what do you think about boutique business. And yeah, we should share, not only me giving you ideas, you can also give me ideas. Yeah, otherwise, guys, bye bye, see you in the next video.